In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your checkout process fast and easy. Testing your checkout process is a vital step to ensure a seamless experience for your customers. Whether you're using WooCommerce, Stripe, or PayPal, setting up a test environment will help you catch any issues before your customers do, which is always a prime goal. Let's dive into the first step. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for making any administrative changes to your site. Once you're there, find the WooCommerce option in the menu and go ahead and click on it. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin that will allow you to manage your store's settings and everything related to your product sales. Now, after you click on WooCommerce, the next move is to go into Settings. This part of WooCommerce is where you can configure the basic elements of your store. So click on Settings to access these options. On the Settings page, you should see a tab labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on it. The Payments section is where you can enable or disable different payment gateways, such as credit card, Stripe, or PayPal, based on your preference or your customer's convenience. Moving on, to test your checkout process, you will need to enable a test gateway. If you're using WooCommerce Payments, look for the option to enable test mode. This will allow you to simulate transactions without processing actual payments, which is incredibly useful for spotting potential issues without any financial impact. If you're using Stripe, simply toggle the test mode switch. If PayPal is your gateway of choice, you'll want to connect your PayPal Sandbox account. PayPal's Sandbox environment is essentially a testing ground where you can play around with transactions without moving a single cent. Once that's set up, you might notice that some of your areas might appear empty if you haven't enabled any payment methods yet. Don't worry, that probably just means you need to go back and verify your settings or ensure that you've properly set up the payment gateways you intend to use. It's always good to double-check this and make sure everything is enabled correctly. Finally, testing your checkout process really can be as simple as these steps. By taking a little time to configure your payment options, you ensure that your customers have a smooth and hassle-free experience when they decide to make a purchase. This, in turn, can lead to higher satisfaction and potentially boost your conversion rates. So there you have it, a fast, easy, and efficient way to test your checkout process. By setting up a test environment, you're setting your store up for success. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.